Hey guys, it's almost been 3 years since Horizon was released, and the majority of the Easter eggs have been solved, including all of the ciphers, except for one. The remaining cipher to be solved is sitting at the top of the stairs inside of the clock tower. The majority of the ciphers on Horizon got solved really quickly. There were two that took a really long time, and this is one of them. The other one was inside the spawn up underneath a cabinet. It's really unfortunate that this cipher didn't get solved while we were still playing Horizon, because it would have definitely allowed us to speculate on it and give us some more conversation and give us a little bit of a clue about the next DLC. With it being solved years later, it's not as impactful. It would have been more beneficial if we had known it back then. And I want to give a massive shout out to the individual that actually solved it, and this is Rich Killer. He's the one that was able to finally get the Mob of the Dead loading screen cipher solved. I don't know if you guys remember this, but about a year and a half ago, I had made a video and I really wanted this cipher to be solved, along with the one that was also in spawn, and I was offering $50 as a reward for anybody that could solve this one or the one that was in the spawn. As a big thanks for Rich helping out the community with these and getting us the information, he has been rewarded this $50, so congrats to him. I also want to update you on a video that I had made where I had seen someone make a post on a forum and saying that they solved it, and they gave the plain text solve, and it was the sun is the key to it all after all. And I was thinking maybe that really is it. It kind of made sense given what we had seen on Revelations. It was revealed to us that 115 came from the sun. The entire thing was made up of it. And at the time this post was made, it was well before Revelations was ever announced or released. So to me, it seemed like it could possibly be legitimate, but the guy never showed his work and how he actually solved it. And I've learned today that this solve was not the answer and not even close. Now, I'm not going to get into the technical side of how it was solved. I'm going to tell you about what kind of cipher it was and some of the basic steps that he took. Through his analysis of the cipher in a pretty complicated process, he was able to identify it as a cipher that was linked to a Japanese Enigma machine from World War II called Purple. The name Purple was a code name used by the United States cryptanalysts, and it was based on the color of the binders used to collect and organize the material from this system. The Japanese called it System 97, and that refers to the year that it was designed in 1937. It's also called a Type B cipher machine. Here's a screenshot that he sent me showing him working out the cipher, and it's from Purple.machine and it's using Python. He's going to be posting this on Reddit in a day or so and linking the program that he used, and you guys are more than welcome to, use the program and work it out for yourselves to show that yes, this is the answer. Here are the settings that he used to solve it, the switches and the alphabet, and then you can see the ciphertext right there. And the plain text and what it solves to is, after sending him on countless suicide missions, he refuses to die. He is in your hands now. Don't fail us. After speaking with Rich, he let me know that he was having a conversation with people about this cipher and they were speculating on it. And I agree with what they're saying. They're saying that yes, this cipher is definitely foreshadowing Zetsubo no Shima. DLC 2 was Zetsubo, and it was going to be coming out next after Horizon. So this would have been a nice little clue. We would have picked up on, okay, we've got a Japanese Enigma machine cipher, probably linked to TAKEO. This goes along with a letter that we had seen torn up on Horizon that involves TAKEO. And this cipher here seems to point to the fact that the Emperor wants to get rid of TAKEO and make his mission in Division 9 his last one. But big shout out to Rich and his crew, Coldstone, Oxenate, Liz, Chaos Randomizer, and Water KH for working together and solving this. Really awesome to have something like this right before BO4 starts. If you guys have any more insight on this cipher and what you think it could mean or what kind of story details it adds to, definitely comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you next video.
Thank you for watching Glitching Queen's video. Hoorah!